So I'm trying something new. I am doing bag and cook hot Jamaican jerk. The package. I found it in Superstore. Then I put it in the bag. I follow the instruction. I literally going to go into here like that, and it has a little tie like so. So you can put on the tie for me, please. This are the tie. And
you're cooking all of those?
Yeah. So uncle is putting on the tie. It's going to be interesting. Isabel. So in case nobody know how to do the tie. Okay. So let me know. So update on the I had to put it in this spot and finish cook it because it was gathering too much water. So yeah, I had to finish cook it in the crock pot and get it really soft and tender. So here goes it. Yeah. Pork chops. And of course, yeah. So it's jerk chicken pork chops. And I had to kind of touch it up a little bit with my own seasoning. So there.